It's just the machine that grinds the cam. There's the man that's going to do the work. We're Delta Cams in Tacoma, Washington.
I thought you already had one. Oh, okay. We got any 2 tubes?
Cams?
Yeah.
Whole pile.
You got a whole pile of 2 tube cams? No, 2 of them. Without boards, we go to
2 Subaru? Yeah. Where's that?
That light is so...
Now he's rotating the component at the cam and the head socket to match the tools. Okay. Once everything's locking, it's done with the lock and locked and everything, and he's running it locked down. Running away. So this one here, the intake and exhaust, we're going to have to move the load separation a little bit. Okay. So we'll grind the intake all the way down, flip it to the exhaust, move it that 1 degree or whatever, however, wherever much you're moving it up to, come back and run the exhaust. Okay.
That's after grinding wheel there, the big wheel.
Correct. A lot of people think that as they're doing, they're thinking about cam grinding, they think there's a cam hold spacer and the wheel moves. That's where a lot of people, how does the wheel
Oh, I see.
How does the wheel know where to move? Well, the wheel never does move.
Right.
The bed, correct. The bed rocks away. It's called bed wheel, and it's grinding it. The other one gets
So this thing is computerized, right?
everything's all man.
Oh, I see.
There's no, CNC cam grinder's about $3.5 million. Wow. If you had one of those, your cam grinder would be $83. Should be about $140.
Here we go.
Camshaft and everything from the 2-horse brake to strap all the way up to 2,800 horsepower blowing off on the side. Then when Mr. Dexter and hydroplanes run the capsule, the Camshaft.
I'm surprised more people don't do that.
And right there, he just did number 1 intake. Now we'll go to number 2 intake. You see lower where that tooling. That plate has a firing order.
Okay.
Mathematically drilled into that plate, so then as it goes to number 2, the cam and the head shock are locked in the plate. You move the master plate to number 2 firing shoulder.
Wow, okay.
Steady hands help.
Yeah. I think you got that control pad memorized with drag over it. The reason why there's no one really seeing with the look at all these machines are about $130,000 each. All the support equipment that has to go with it and all that stuff. We grind our cams, we've always done it. Such a low cost.
What's your name?
Started. Yeah.
Lloyd? Nice meeting you.
And then another thing is, everyone knows of us. It'd be like selling cookies to all the local kids. Hey, you want to buy my cookies?
How thick is that cutting wheel or the grinding wheel?
Right.
How wide is it?
About 7/8 of an inch. They're up in Seattle, so they do regular industrial stuff. We do some industrial stuff, but we don't. So anybody that's doing kind of racing or car guys and stuff, it's either that or they go to the summit and try to get the free straight. Right.
Look how beautiful. So you do the intakes only first and then you flip over and do the exhaust pipe?
Yeah. You want to grind the intakes pretty much.
How do you change the low separation angle from 110 and a half that it is to 112?
Okay, what I'll do is when I go to the exhaust flow, index, one nose, intake, low forward, everything's I see that a lot on the forums, guys. Big secret with Camshaft. Yeah, we just line the numbers off, like the stars all have our numbers on it. We get it back, guys, we're not shit, pull it up, blah, blah, blah. We get it back, all our numbers on it. I'm like, shit, I don't know what we put on it. Yeah. We gotta go back. Well, everybody's straight truck and it's all off. Yeah. Like someone's gonna go in their motor and check, you know?
Putting this stuff on YouTube. Grinding my stock LT1 B-body cam to what's known as the GM845 spec, 214, 224 with 112 degree load separation. And this is the machine that does it.
Between a hydraulic camshaft and a solid.
Well, the hydraulic profile, the camshaft is
They are interchangeable?
Yep. You could actually convert this to a mechanical version. They have to run different methods.
Okay.
The slide road, or just should have been one spending about 4,000. So get it back to zero. It's going to be zero on the block, so I'm going to check it to zero before we go. Wow. Back to zero. And once we get it at zero, then we go through. This is something that's very unique with our company, like Camshaft, Crane Cams, all the bigger cam companies, even the new cam billet manufacturers. They'll spot check the camshaft. They'll check one load per cam, one cam every 50. Wow. We can have one load good, send the entire batch of 50 cams out there, complete jump. And everything that leaves here, every single hydraulic load is physically checked. The SAE standard is 3,000 maximum base circle runout. Like I said, with the hydraulic lifter, if it has more than 3,000, it's going to start to think it's that preload ramp. Hydraulic, open that valve prematurely.
Okay.
You'll have a low vacuum, full runability, less, no compression.
Right.
Everything we do here is check all the way down. Line these are running about 1.5. Industry standard is 3,000 run out. We've cut our minimum back to 2,000. Obviously, we have a tendency to every single bit of warranty comes out of my pocket.
Right.
All the standards have been cut back to error on our favor. Go down and physically check every single load.
What are you checking for now? The duration? Make sure it's right?
This is base circle run out.
Base circle run out.
To make sure that the valve is going to stay closed the whole time it's going to stay closed. Also, it's kind of a finicky area. If you grab the cam too tight, I can wiggle it 4,000 or 5,000.
Oh, okay.
You got to put it in the center kind of gently and gently roll it over. After doing it for 22 years, I kind of tell in the field whether it has run out or not as far as the running around. It's just over 1,000 run out, which is a third of what the industry standard is allowing.
So the preload on the lifters is pretty important when doing valve adjustments.
Correct.
So if you don't have enough preload on it, that'll affect it too. Say if you go zero lash and you don't go another half turn or full turn. I mean, what do you guys recommend? A half turn, full turn?
This one load was out of tolerance a little bit, so I'm going to go back and check this. This main right here is actually a little bit out, so I'm going to knock it back to zero.
Yeah. For a third of the cost. Fourth of the cost.
Every load.
No, less than fourth of the cost.
Every load and everything's checked.
Yeah.
No, a third. 85 cents.
Yeah, but I mean, I got it at 340 if you wanted to buy from Summit. Summit's got it for 344. Yeah.
This one is right at right at 3. So,
Regrind?
3 is not going to fly.
That looks like we're going to regrind that one lobe. This is quality control.
That's the benefit.
Wow. Yeah. Actually, run his finger over it. You got that?
Yeah, I am. Okay, do that again.
It's about 6,500 RPM in an engine.
Is it supposed to do that?
Yeah, that would be like a lifter going up and down. That would stimulate like a rocker arm movement.
Oh, wow.
So it's flying.
This is what RPM?
It's about 64, 6,500 RPM.
That's how fast the lifter is going up and down.
Yeah. So when that starts cranking out $9 grand, you're watching a little. Thinking about a magic.
For 3 hours.
Yeah.
Man.
You come in here and just put a very light polish on the main area. So what we're going to do is take a little bit of discoloration off. Any of the manufacturing little lines that we put in there while we're in the machine.
When you polish them, though, stuff.
You just go down in the oil bath.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah, you do this before you run it.
I think so.
Oh, I think
You mean like how it looked before?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that hot oil or?
It's cold. It's, a lot of our customers are like auto parts stores, like a Napa store.
Yeah.
Might sit on their shelf for 2 or 3 years. So the cast iron using the steel one, so it won't require any parkerizing. The regular standard cast iron camshaft gets done being ground like this, and it's regular shiny cast iron.
Oh, I see.
Shiny cast iron, we dunk it into this phosphate coating process, puts this gray phosphate coating on it.
Oh, I see. Okay.
And that's the soft materials that helps flat tappet camshafts break in. And it also keeps the lobes from rusting while it sits on the parts shelf for years and years.
Think about moving. Everybody's going to be trying to figure out where everything's at.
It's going to be a major headache for a while, but when it's
Well done and you're settled in, yeah.
This is all, usually we let it sit and drip the oil off for a little bit.
So after 20 years, I can try to get it out.